I'm like obsessed with the oh, oh 39. Hi, my name is Brima and I enjoy building things. This channel is going to be focused on daily builds, and specifically this series I want to do it for fun. But really what it's going to be focused on is every day for 30 minutes I'll just spend my free time and build something from scratch, whether it's a fun game or whether it's a fun AI agent or AI workflow, whatever it is. I enjoy building things. So if you want to check out what we do, check out BrahmaLabs.com. But I was a product manager in tech. Like I said, I enjoy building things, and this series is really going to be focused on me showcasing that pretty much with an idea, you can pretty much build anything. I'll be using different tools. Today, I'll be using the Gemini, but yeah, I enjoy doing it. So if you're interested, subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what else I need to build. But I'm going to push myself and see how far I can go with this. So today, I wanted to build a snake game. When I was growing up, my mom used to have this tiny Nokia phones, and there was a snake game in it. And I could recall after school, study, clean the house, and take care of everything. I'll ask my mom, "Hey, mom, can I please borrow your phone?" She knows exactly that I'm gonna use the phone to play the game, the snake. So it's been a while since I played it. So let's see if we can build it with Gemini, and then let's test it and play around with it, right? So I'm in the Gemini. I'm using the 2.5 Pro, which is really good for reasoning, math, and code. And let's see what it's gonna do. So I'll just be basic and use like a basic prompt, and we can build and expand as we go. So build me a snake game. Let's see. Let's just use that. So what it's doing, it's building what I told it, right? I said build me a snake game. It created a basic explanation of what it should look like, right? Okay, I can build another snake game for you. This version will include on-screen controls for better playability on touch devices, and I'll make sure it's responsive. So I didn't even tell it make it responsive. It knows it has to be responsive, right? It will have the classic snake gameplay, which is what we all grew up with, pretty much. Um, and guide the snake to eat food, making it go longer and all that. So it also shows me this version includes responsive canvas, on-screen controls, and all that. So let's see. Let's ready to play. So let's see. So that's me. I'm playing. What do you guys think of the UI? I think the UI could be better, but since I wasn't really specific on the UI, let's see how far I can go with this. Oh, okay. Score two. All right, let's see. Let's go again. I think the more you eat, the faster it goes, which is cool. So, I used to love this growing up. It's cool. Let's see how far I can go, and we'll add more features to it. Oh, oh, again. Oh, again. Oh, again. Come on, BB. All right, let's see. Oh, again? What? I think oh, I don't want to eat. Oh, I'm too scared. That's why. Oh man. Okay. What? Oh wow, Brahma. Oh, what's going on? Okay, let's see. There you go. All right. Let's see. Um. Hmm. Let's see. All right. It's getting bigger. Ooh. Oof. Oof. All right. Let's see. Boom. Yeah. Oh, 23. 23. All right. The first one I had two, and the second one I had 23. So let's see. There's few things I want to change here, right? So I don't want to be more like complex with the prompting. I'll just use basic prompting. Um, use better colors, and what else? What else should we change? I do like and use a darker background. BSCK, GRO in there. Use better colors. I mean, I probably need to be specific with the colors, but let's see what it creates. Okay, I'll update the game with a darker background and a new color scheme that should provide better contrast and a more modern feel. So it tells me what exactly it's going to be adjusting: the page background, the game canvas background, the snake color, the food color, the text and UI, ensure they're clearly visible and aesthetically pleasing against the new background. So let's see. Awesome. This is way better. I like this. So what I want to do next is make the snake a real snake, right? Because right now it's a box. It's a square. Also make the food an actual looking food. Let's see, right? Because right now, it's a square or a box, right? So let's see if we can make it better than what it is. I do like the background. I do like the yellow contrast with the purple. I like that a lot. And yeah, all right, let's see. Oh, it says, okay, this is a fun challenge. Making the snake and food look more real in a region-based game requires a bit of creative interpretation with the canvas drawing tools. Instead of simple square, I will add for the snake, use the head a more rounded shape, add simple eyes to the head, make the body segment circular. I'll aim for classic apple look, red. Alright, let's see. Not too shabby, right? Not too bad. Okay. I like it. I like it. Better for sure, right? I like it a lot. And I'm sure we can make it better, but this is good. Okay. So I started Brahma Labs because I enjoy building things. And part of the reason why um, I'm really focusing on this channel is to really teach anyone that it's possible for them to learn anything and build anything with AI, right? With all these amazing tools out there, you can pretty much take any idea and at least build an MVP and showcase it, right? Um, and so that's what I want to do is really help as many people as possible that they can actually build anything, right? Um, and look at me pretty much building a game and I'm happy, I'm playing it, and it's less than 10 minutes already, and I built something really cool. So you can take any idea really and bring it to life, right? And so Brahma Labs is a consulting company where we build custom AI agents and AI workflows to help a business scale. Oh, so the most important thing for a business owner is it doesn't really matter what type of tools being used. What they care about is, can the tool help them save time? Can the tool help them make money? And is the tool faster so that can oh all right, one last time, then we can add a little bit features. Right? So businesses care about, they don't really care about the tools being used. They care about, is this oh they care about, is this solution gonna help me save money, right? Is this solution gonna help me make money, like clients acquisition, optimizing sales processes, but also is this solution gonna give me time back, right? Because if you're spending, let's say, 20 hours a week doing repetitive work, and you say, hey, I can build you something that can reduce that 20 hours to 2 hours, right? So you're just giving them a lot of hours in the day and they can use that time to do something else, right? So that's pretty much the idea of Brahma Labs, and I enjoy it. And let's, and by the way, I'm building it in public too. So um, I'm enjoying this game. It's cool. Let's see if we can beat 27. If we can beat 27, then one last feature I might add is sound effects and see if it can generate a sound while I'm playing. Oh, I keep doing this of like, okay, there you go. There you go. We're at 19, 20. Let me know if you guys enjoy these things, but um, that's really my goal, to build it for fun every day and build something. And oh, okay. I beat the my previous score, which was 27, 31. Oh, by my by my not again. All right. There you go. So if you want to learn about artificial intelligence and how you can build something really cool, this channel is pretty much gonna be for you. And like I said, Brahma Labs, part of it is also experimenting different AI tools, and part of it is also helping, focusing on businesses and building them custom tools that will help them scale their business. Oh, 42. All right. I love it so far. So I have less than 5 minutes, but let's see. Um, can you add a sound effect for when the game is playing? Let's see. It's thinking. And yep, okay, I can add sound effects to the game. It's even telling me what it's gonna use, tone.js, to generate a simple sound directly in the browser when the snake eats food. and when the game is over. I didn't even tell it. It knows exactly what it needs to do. Obviously, I can be more comprehensive with the prompting. So again, when I start building complex AI tools, I will show you my best practices of vibe coding and how you can build amazing application. I've built a lot of really cool tools with vibe coding. So yeah, I'm gonna be using some of my best practices to showcase that to you. So um, subscribe and yeah. So it's okay. So now playing sounds in da 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 move snake when food is eaten in volume adjustment. Reduce the volume to it sound the volume dot value, which is the let's see. Now when you play you can hear a bleep. Alright, let's see. Alright, so since I went, ooh, it worked. So since I, what was my previous score? I think it was a 47, right? Let's see if we can beat 47 and end the game here. But awesome. I like it. I like the sound. It's basic, it's fun, and yeah. This is pretty much my childhood right here. I feel so good right now. Oh no! So I mean the sound worked, right? And when the game was over, it created its own sound. So oh, I last. I need to beat my previous one, and then let's see. Oh, I always get freaked out when I'm close. Ooh, I have one more idea I need to add. One more feature. One more feature. So the way I would do it is it can go in between the edges of the square and continue. So that way I don't have to die when. Should I add it for next video? Let me know if I should add it in the comments. But the way it will work is I can go in any of the squares and it can still continue and come back. Does that make sense? Um, oh, I always get freaked out. So like that is what I'm saying. Like I can go in here, and it can come out so that I can take the apple on the other side. So like this, I can go in straight and like get out from the other side. I remember that was a feature that we had in the Nokia, but I will add it in my next build. This is cool. I like it. Oh, good. Okay, so I think I was at 47, right? Let's see. I'm currently at 18. Yes. Oh, okay. So there's a lot of things we've done, right? So it started off with a basic UI in the background, and I told it, hey, use a darker background, and then we're not really happy with the way the snake and the fruits looked, so we told it to create like um a better snake and also fruit. And the last feature we added was soup. 32. Okay. The last feature we added was the sound effects, which is really good. I like it. And then I'm like obsessed with the oh, oh 39. All right, my people. This was a fun build, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. But we built it. We built a snake, right? We started off with build me a snake, and then it created a canvas where I was able to preview it and see the game, and it created its HTML and also CSS. Um, and it also gives us instructions on how you can start the game and how the game is being run. Um, and we added few features, use better colors and use a darker background, right? We changed that. And we also added make the snake more real, since we had like a square for both the snake and the fruit. I mean, the only difference was the colors. So we made those adjustments. And another feature we added was sound effects, right? Which gave it more like a fun interactive game. So here it is. We built a game with Gemini. I'm using the 2.5 Pro preview, but yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please subscribe. This is something I want to do on a daily basis. I don't want to spend a lot of time, so I'll build less than 30 minutes and just post it on on YouTube. Um, but yeah, check out BrahmaLabs.com. But if you're interested in these type of videos, please subscribe, like, and also turn on your, I think, notification, right? Yeah. But let's see. So the next build might be adding the feature of like the snake can go in between. The snake can go in between here and come out here. And then it can probably go in between here and come back here. So that way I don't get killed when I can only get killed if I bite myself, the snake. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.